Hey guys, we're back from another video today. Man, we haven't done a review video in so long. Or, well, like this. Anyways, we are going to be reviewing something really cool. Count to 10 and then it'll show up. And 10 Mississippi. Okay. First generation flip video camcorder. And the third generation, because this is the Flip Video Ultra. This one is. As you see, they look really similar. I got this one first. It was kind of banged up, so I bought this one for parts. But it turns out that this original camcorder is in a lot better condition, and it works. So I thought, why not use this one? So yeah, story over. We're gonna be reviewing it and seeing how good it plays video. So we'll have to face you guys towards the wall for this one. Hi. And yeah. First, okay, let's back up some. Can you guys see? Okay, the first flip video camcorder. A pretty good condition camcorder. As you see, a tiny screen, but that's all you need. I don't know if you guys heard that. It was pretty small. It has a digital zoom, so it gets blurry. It only has a focus fixed lens. I mean, it only has a fixed focus lens, so it's not gonna be, and it's a digital zoom, so it gets blurry. As you see, and this one's not that bad. Right now it has an hour of storage. Sorry guys. And the one thing about this just speaks for it. Oh. Let's try that again. Yeah, that's what speaks for it. A flip out BCU, whatever it's called. Boom. Yep, a flip out thing. Needs to get some grease in it. And then for the Flip Video Ultra, did I click a button? No, it's still playing. And then for the Flip Video Ultra, as you see, it's not that nice bright glare. This is the Flip Video Ultra, so it's the third generation. See, it's not that bad. Big screen. Let's turn it on. I don't know if you guys heard that either. Now this one also has a fixed focus. As you see, it gets blurry. And this one has an hour and this one has 2 hours of footage. An hour up from the original. And this one also speaks for its name. Boom. And as you see, there is already a difference between the hard drives. This one's made out of like a plastic material. This one's nice metal. Did they cheap out on the original? It just makes sense. And this one, you have to pull it back down. And one cool feature about this is that you can plug it in and watch your shows on TV. I would rather prefer the original because it has something that can actually be used. I'll be right back. But yeah, this is my vlog camera. Oh darn it. This is my vlog camera from now on. Oh shoot, wrong cord. Let me look in here. a minute, guys. You guys can just hear what's going on. I don't know where it went, but it has like a composite type of. Ow! Something stabbed me. My chair has nails. My chair's made out of wood, sadly. So I got splintered. Ah. Ooh. And I got it. Flip video camcorder. Not that bad. Yeah. And as you see that and we'll with no further ado, this well, my past two vlogs have been filmed on this, but there is another camera. It's like an old camera. That's like my backup camera that were my first two vlogs were made on. This thing. See, it's a lot different. And also, with this huge screen, you think you get a huge display. No, you get like a third of that. Using as a fixed focus lens too. Yeah, this is where I've been filming my first two vlogs on. You know, finding a bunny in the forest, my first vlog. Filmed on this thing. And then I got that guy, and then I got that guy. I haven't filmed any videos on this yet. So that's gonna be fun to do. Sit back up there. Coming back. Yeah, and these two cameras were awesome. And I will show you a video, but you know, I already have vlogs filmed with this one, and a vlog soon to come will be on that one. So stay tuned for that one. Since this was the original, it gets to do the outro.